Lisekela lenhloko lengamele majaji Raymond Zondo unikete imvume bameli balekomishana lephenya ngekubanjswa kwembuso ngabhongwane yekukhiphela Norma Gigaba emasamanisi kuvele kwalekomishana. Loku kulandzela khoca kwa Gigaba kungakalindzela ekwetfulweni bufakazi lamuhla kulekomishana. Lekomishana etfule nyalo Tindzaba kutsi Gigaba angekasatfula bufakazi. Gigaba lesekabuyele asebentisa sibongo sakhe sakamngoma bekufanele etfule bufakazi ngelesihlanu evikini lelengcile kepha kasehlehliswa lamuhla nanobe tingakaveli kahle tizatfu talokhoca kwakhe kepha kutsi akakajabuli ngendlela lemphethe ngayo lekomishana.
Ms. Gigaba would like to withdraw her participation from the commission. And I, this morning, addressed the letter to the commission advising it of that to that effect.
Yes. Would you like to read that letter into the record?
Yes, Chair. Okay. To the Secretary of the Commission, as advised by the Commission on Friday, 9 April 2021, that our client, Ms. Ngoma, was scheduled to give evidence before the Commission today, the 13th April 2021. 2, this letter serves to inform the Commission that as of late yesterday, we received instructions from our client informing us of 1, her personal concerns with how various aspects regarding her proposed appearance at the Commission has been handled or allegedly mishandled by the Commission. And 2, her decision to therefore withdraw her participation in the work of the Commission. We are further instructed to inform the Commission accordingly of the above as we hereby do.